Hi, I didn't see you there. Anyway, I'm gonna eat a sandwich now. Let's see, mukbang YouTube experience. I want to get as much content as we can. My video yesterday got like 22 views in a day. And I have 17 subscribers now. Thank you guys very much. I couldn't have done this without you. Let's see what we're eating now. Oh, give us a little side of ranch. Some potato salad. This is Brent's. Delicious. If you're ever down in Los Angeles, grab a turkey melt. It's so good. Look at this. Zoom in. Look at that. The turkey is so fine. I'll take a big bite for my YouTube viewers. Look at this. Okay, no. Good. Are you showing me? Thank you, YouTube. It's such a good mukbang. Someone wanted an outfit of the day, by the way. Oh. Just all black. Simple, chic, stealth, classic. That's all I gotta say about that. Anyway, I'm an employee.